everyone, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you for your love and support, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing the Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven with Rotisserie. I have been contemplating on getting one for a while, but I finally got one at Christmas. So it retails for about £80 on Amazon and for like $99.99 on the Argos website. There's a £10 difference if you get the manual, which is around £10 cheaper. So I actually got this model rather than the ones with baskets because it's got the shelves and I can cook multiple food at a time rather than cooking one single food in the basket. So this is the 11 liters 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven with Rotisserie, and it cooks up to 30% faster with less oil. It could be used for air frying, split roast as a dehydrator, and to roast and bake. So it cooks with 99% less fats, which is a good advantage of air frying. 30% faster with 75% capacity compared to other air fryers, and also comes with 8 cooking preset program, which is a digital quick touch display. This air fryer works by using the Vortex Air Blast technology for air frying, which works by drawing cold air through the air fryer, and that passes through some heating element that converts the air into heated air, and that is the method by which it cooks the food faster. It has a 60-minute digital timer for convenient scheduling, a vortex fan to circulate hot air through the matrix, advanced matrix that heats the food up to 200 degrees centigrade for time-saving cooking. It is a 2000 watts appliance, and it comes with 3 mesh wire racks, the Rotisserie fork and handle, and also an oil drip tray. It comes with 3 years warranty, and for this warranty you get 1 year standard warranty when you purchase the product, but you have to register the product online at the Tower website to get the additional 2 years, and this needs to be done within 28 days of purchase. So that gives you a total of 3 years warranty, 1 year standard warranty, and 2 more additional years when you register online. This digital air fryer oven is available in black and silver, which is the one I got, but you can also get it in black and rose gold. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the pack. It's of a good size, and it comes with the wire racks, the Rotisserie fork and handle, the oil tray, and also a manual to go with it. This is the size of the wire rack, the oil dip tray, and the Rotisserie fork and handle, and also the manual. So to open it, you just pull down the door handle gently, and it's got a stainless steel interior cavity. That's the space for the Rotisserie fork to go into, and also it's got the grooves for the individual trays and oil dip trays. So placing the oil drip tray at the last bottom of the air fryer, the other wire racks go in through the slot like this. That's the first one in, then the second one goes in. But due to the slot for the Rotisserie, the other one goes above the Rotisserie handle. Also, the door is removable for easy cleaning by pulling the lever to the right. So this is just a picture to show you the size of the air fryer compared to a standard microwave oven. So to use the air fryer, switching it on at the main plug, the light comes on at the digital display unit. Then you have the button to start the air fryer. So this button is the on or pause key, and when you press that, the rest of the display comes on. So this is to increase or decrease the temperature of the air fryer. The light bulb is to switch on the lights. This is to select the cooking mode for various food types. That's the on and pause button. This is to rotate the Rotisserie, and this is to increase or decrease the time for cooking. So just to show you how each button works, the display unit will look like this for a start. Then I'll press the on and pause button to bring up the whole display. So with a simple touch, I could increase or decrease the temperature. Then I could press the light bulb to switch on the lights in the air fryer, and I'm just going to show you when the light is on. It looks like this. Then I switch it on, also pressing the same button. By pressing the mode key, I could select the preset auto cooking programs. So the one there I've got is for fries. Then if I press it, then it goes to steak, drumstick, fish, shrimps, roast chicken, rotisserie, and to dehydrate your foods. So just as an example, I've selected the fries, which will cook for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. So all I have to do is press the on and pause button, and the fan and the eating element indicator will come on, and that is it. So to switch it off, I just need to press the on and pause key, and that keeps the fan going for a while until it finally stops. Then that is it, fully shut down. So to cook with the air fryer without the preset programs, you can increase or decrease your temperature using the temperature button. Then you increase or decrease your cooking time using the timer button. Then also you can hold down the buttons like this to increase or decrease the temperature, and also you can do the same for the timer by holding it down to increase or decrease your cooking time. So when you've chosen the desired temperature and cooking time for your recipe, all you have to do is just to press the on and pause button like you would do for a preset program, and that is the air fryer on, ready to air fry your food. If you like to pause your cooking or add more items to your air fryer, all you have to do is to press the pause or on button, and that will switch off the eating element, and also shortly the air fan indicator will go off to indicate that the air fryer is now in a pause cooking cycle. So if you press the on button again, the air fryer will resume the cooking cycle and continue cooking your meal. So that concludes my review of the Tower 11 liters 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven with Rotisserie. I'll be making some meals with this air fryer, and I shall be sharing them with you guys. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching to the end. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.